Hi guys, welcome back to this colourful channel where you get a ton of creative makeup ideas and tutorials absolutely for free. And all I ask you to do today in return is, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with a makeup loving friend. So today is going to be an eye makeup tutorial for this makeup that I did to match my nails. I was kind of inspired, and this will be a super close-up tutorial so that you can see every little detail. And let's just dive right into it.
Here is how you do it. With a white primer, outline a big thick wing and then apply transparent primer only above that wing. Then with a fluffy brush apply some light blue eyeshadow, blend it out with a lighter blue eyeshadow, apply some yellow for the inner part and blend them together with a teal eyeshadow. And put some bright blue eyeshadow in the crease. Then with a thin layer of white primer, fill in the inside of your wing. Don't overdo it. And then start applying the eyeshadows there, the violet, the pink and the lime for the inner part. And in order to blend well the pink and the lime, because they don't go too well together, use a coral shade, a little bit of it. Then start outlining the wing with a black liquid eyeliner and apply some eyeshadow on the bottom to match the top lid. Finish the look with a purple mascara and with a black on the waterline. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy your work, because you just did an amazing job!
And here is the final look! Everything is matchy-matchy just the way I love. Don't forget to give this tutorial a big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you aren't already. If you are, I love you! Thank you so much for supporting me. And by the way, all the products that I have used and that are listed down below have already been reviewed and swatched on this channel, and namely these are the 4 eyeshadow palettes and also the eyeliner, and the only product that I've used that wasn't swatched here is this little cutie, a single eyeshadow named Arsenic by Sugarpill. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, loves!